So for today, I'll be defining to you my 3 chosen uncommonly words in the dialogue Iloco, or as we know, Ilocano. Moving on, for my first word is ragsak, meaning an intense feeling of happiness. So to use this in the dialogue Ilocano, here is an example. Ti ragsak ti mabilyak ket ti malipatan iti manitatang manipod abroad. To translate this in English, the joy of my family was unforgettable when my father arrived from the abroad. And for my second word is uneg, meaning the inside or interior of something. So to use this in the dialogue Ilocano, this is an example of it. Nalinis ko na simbrek ti uneg ti balay da manang Carmen, meaning the inside of Sister Carmen house is clean and fragrant. And lastly, for the third word is gayem, meaning a close friend or a companion. So to use this in Ilocano, here is an example. Ni Juan ket hanla ang gayem no, di ket kaslamat kabsat ko. So to use this in English, Juan is not just a friend, but more like a brother to me. So that concludes my video, and that's my top 3 uncommonly used words in Iloco.